Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
I've missed three Jummah as a result of traveling on Fridays. I want to know if there is no issue with that at all.
The Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam warned Muslims not to miss 3 consecutive Jum'ahs. And he says that this is a sign of hypocrisy, and whoever does this, Allah will seal his heart. We're talking about Muslims that are obliged to pray Jumu'ah. Men who are residing, who are capable and healthy, who've reached the age of puberty. Of course, they're men, not male, which exempts women, slaves, children, and travelers. So, of course, and the sick people who are unable to attend. So if a traveler is on a journey and he misses 3, 4, 10 Jumu'ahs, there's no issue in that, and he's not under the hadith being threatened that his heart would be sealed or that he would be among the hypocrites, with the grace of Allah. Because falling sick or traveling is a legitimate reason to skip Jumu'ah, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.